Today I'm reviewing this Custom4U bracelet. Thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So it does come in a little gift box just like this. Let me go ahead and take it out. It does have like this little pull lever to go ahead and take it out. I'm going to show you everything that's included inside of the box. Let's go ahead and check it out. So here is the bracelet itself. It comes in a little plastic baggie like this. I'll go ahead and show you the bracelet, but let me just keep showing you everything else that is inside the box. You do get a little black baggie like this, so if in case you're traveling or you want to just go ahead and put up your jewelry at the end of the day, then this is also included for you. And then you also get a little microfiber cloth if in case it gets fingerprints or dust or anything like that. You could go ahead and just use the microfiber cloth that is included. All right, so let's check out the beautiful bracelet. So this is a lightweight bracelet. It is the beginning of September, so this is a perfect time to bring out the sapphire stone. I am a September baby, so this is perfect. It is a sapphire little heart in the middle, and it has a little infinity symbol around it. I'll go ahead and give you a closer look on it, but this is available in a variety of birthstones. So if September is not your birthstone or sapphire is not your color, don't worry because other color options are available. All right, so I wanted to give you a closer look, a view from up top, so you could take a look at that beautiful sapphire cubic zirconian heart. So the chain length is 6.3 inches. And it does have 2-inch extender, so it's adjustable and it could fit most wrists. This bracelet is perfect for birthdays, for yourself, for gifts, Valentines, Mother's Day, graduation, any occasion. This bracelet itself is nice and elegant, super delicate, very, very good quality for the price. So it is $9.25 sterling silver and it is white gold plated. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on. All right, so I have the bracelet on. Take a look. Super beautiful. I love how nice and delicate it looks and how shiny the sapphire heart looks. Very, very nice. It definitely stands out. So overall, if you're looking for a nice giftable bracelet for yourself or for a loved one, then definitely check this one out. Go ahead and link it down below if in case you'd like to see any other color options available, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.